Have you ever wondered how much probate actually costs or why some estates seem to sail right through while others rack up unexpected bills? Welcome back to Grounds for Probate, your coffee break chat, where we talk probate in plain English. My name's Michelle, a probate paralegal over at SJF Law Group. Let's get into it. Probate administrations come with costs, and it helps to know exactly what those costs are. And for many families, this is the first time that they have ever gone through this process. So let's get started with some of the common costs that occur. One being attorney's fees. Each attorney charges at a different fee structure. Some attorneys go off flat rates, some go off of hourly rates. It kind of just depends. And some attorneys will even charge, based off of what the estate's valued at. It's all going to depend on the estate and all the work that's entitled. Number two, court filing fees. These are paid directly to the court when the probate is opened up. Appraisal and accountant fees are another cost. When you have jewelry or even collectibles such as a card collection, a part of an estate, those items may need to get appraised. Accountant fees, the accountant needs to do the tax returns, they need to file those returns, even work on a final accounting for an estate, and that all costs money to pay them. Publication costs. So, in a formal administration, which we learned about a few episodes ago, you are required to publish what's called a notice to creditors in the newspaper, in the local newspaper. That's another cost that people don't aren't expected to. Another one is the types of assets. Sometimes there's assets in another state or another country that those items might need to go through the probate process in those states or follow their laws to pass properly to beneficiaries, and that all costs money as well. So let's talk how families can keep those costs reasonable. Planning ahead. Planning ahead is such a huge thing that you can do to keep those costs minimized for your family members in the future. If you plan ahead and have a proper will and a proper trust done, that'll definitely save some time and money at the end. Staying organized. If you collect everything for your probate team, getting all the deeds together, financial statements, that's going to save a lot of time. Bottom line, probate costs aren't meant to be a mystery and take families by surprise. With a little bit of planning and staying organized, it can help your family in the long run. So while probate costs can't always be avoided, planning ahead makes a huge difference. And just remember, your probate team is here to help you along the way. Thanks for joining me on Grounds for Probate this week. We'll see you next week.